Sairam students, welcome to the third session of chapter 8, that is multiples and factors. So children, in the last session we saw what are multiples, right? And then we saw the test for divisibility by 2, by 5 and by 10. So what are multiples, children? Multiples are nothing but the tables, right? Like the table of 2, table of 3, like 3, 6, 9, 12, right? So these are the multiples, right? And what was the test for divisibility by 2? So if in the units place it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can directly tell that the number is divisible by 2. You need not carry out the division. Then what was the test for divisibility by 5? If in the units place it is 0 or 5, then it is called, then we can tell that the number is divisible by 5. And what was the test for divisibility by 10? So if the in the units place, if it is 0, then we can say that the number is divisible by 10, right? So if there are bigger numbers, so we need not carry out the division. By directly seeing the units place, we can carry out the test for divisibility, right children? So now today we will see about the prime and composite numbers. But before that, we'll just see what are the numbers given and what are the factors for it, right? Now let's start. Now the number 2, right? So what are the factors for the number 2? 1 and 2, right? Then number 3, 1 and 3. Number 4, 1, 2, 4, right? Then next number is 5. So 1, 5. Next number is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? So these are the factors. So we have already studied in the first session what are the factors, right? The number should be exactly divisible and the remainder should be 0. So the number 1 and the number itself are the factors of that number. Other than that, there are other numbers also, right? So now if you see for the number 2, 1, 2 is the factor. For the number 3, it is 1, 3. So wherever there are only 2 factors, they are called as the prime numbers, right? Now 1, 5. Here also there are only 2 factors. So these factors are called as prime numbers. And where there are factors more than 2, right? Those are called as composite numbers. That is 1, 2, 4 and this 1, 2, 3, 6. These are all called as composite numbers. So let's have a look at some more numbers. Now the number 11, right? So for the number 11, what are the factors? 1, 11. Now for the number 12, 1, 2. Then 3 stable also 12 comes. 4, 6 and 12, right? Now for the number 16, 1, 2, 3 stable it does not come, then 4, 8 and 16, right? So these are the factors of 16. Then for 19, 1, 19. And for 25, 1, 5 and 25, right? So these are the factors. Now if you can see for the number 11, there are 2 factors, 1, 11. For the number 19, there are 2 factors, 1, 19. So the numbers which have got only 2 factors, they are called as prime numbers. Whereas the rest of the numbers 12, 16 and 25, they have more than 2 factors. So those are called as composite numbers. So I hope students you have understood it. Now the number 1 is a factor of every number. This we had seen in the first session also. Some numbers have only 1 and the number itself as the factors. So as I told you, there are numbers like 19, 13, they have got only 2 factors, the number 1 and the number itself. Some numbers have more than 2 factors, right? Like the number 6 I told you. 1, 2, 3, 6, they have got more than 2 factors. So the numbers like 2, 3, 19, which have only 2 factors are called as the prime numbers. Just now I discussed with you children, right? So these are some of the examples. 2, 3, 19. Like this, there are many numbers which will have only 2 factors. So the numbers having only 2 factors are called as the prime numbers. A number which has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, is called as a prime number. A number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. For example, 4, 6, 16. So when I had shown you the factors, for 4 it is 1, 2, 4. So there are 3 factors. So it is more than 2. For 6 also, as I told you, 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? So they are having more than 2 factors. They are called as composite numbers. And the number 1, it is neither composite nor prime, right? Because 1 has only one number. So prime number has 2 factors and composite number has more than 2 factors, right? So 1, it is neither prime nor composite. So I hope students, you have understood the difference between the prime number and the composite number. So let's start children with problem set 34. The first question is, write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. So just now we saw children, what are prime numbers? Numbers which have at least 2 factors. Only 2 factors, they are called as prime numbers. Now between 1 and 20. So we'll not take the number 1 and the number 20. So from 2 to 19, which are the prime numbers that we are going to see. So now let's start with the number 2. Now when you take the number 2, there are, what are the factors? 1 and 2. So there are only 2 factors. So 2 is a prime number. Now take the number 3. 1, 3. So 3 is also a prime number because there are only 2 factors. Now if you take the number 4, there will be how many factors? 1, 2 and 4. Right? So there are 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. So 4 is not a prime number. Let's take the number 5. Now 5 has got 1, 5. Right? So there are 2 factors. Right? Now let's take the number 6. Now 6 has got 1, 2, 3 and 6. So it is more than 2. Right? So 6 is not a prime number. Let's take the number 7. Now 7, 1 and 7. Right? So it's a prime number. Number 8, no, because 1, 2, 4, 8. So it has more than 2 factors. Let's take the number 9. So 9 is a prime number? No, because 9 has got 1, 3 and 9. 3 factors. So 9 is not there. 10, no, because 1, 2, 5, 10. Right? More than 2 factors. Let's take the number 11. Now 11, it has got only 2 factors, that is 1, 11. Now let's take the number 12. Now in 12, 1, 2, 6, 12, right? So more than 2 factors, so it will not come. Let's take the number 13. So number 13 has got 2 factors, 1, 13, right? Now let's take the number 14. 1, 2, 7, 14. More than 2 factors. So 14 is not a prime number. 15, no, because 1, 3, 5, 15. So these are more than 3, more than 2, right? So 15 is not also not the prime number. Then 16, no, because 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. More, it has got more than 2 factors. Then 17. Yes, 17 is a prime number. So we will write 1, 17. So 17 is a prime number. Let's take the number 18. 1, 2, 9, 3, 6, 18. So it has got more than 2 factors. So 18 is not a prime number. Now let's take the number 19. Yes, it is a prime number because it has got only 2 factors, that is 1 and 19, the number 1 and the number itself. So all these numbers, if you see children, it has got the factor as 1 and the number itself. So that's why it is called as a prime number. So you will write the answer as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are all the prime numbers. So I hope students you have understood how to write these prime numbers. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Write all the composite numbers between 21 and 50. Now what are composite numbers? The numbers which have more than 2 factors. They are called as composite numbers. So it has been given as between 21 and 50. So again we will not take the number 21 and the number 50. So you will start from the number 22 till 49, right? So now what I will do? These are the composite numbers: 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 48 and 49. So these are all the composite numbers. But I'll just show you how these are the composite numbers, how these numbers have come. So now let's see. I take the number 22. So what are the factors of 22? 1, 2, 11 and 22. So there are 4 factors, right? So we want more than 2 factors. So 22 is a composite number. Now if we take the number 23, it is a prime number because it has got only 2 factors, 1 and 23. So next number is 24. So number 24 has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So that's why it is a composite number because it has got many factors. Now if you take the number 25, it is 1, 5, 25. So it's a composite number. 26, 1, 2, 13, 26, right? So 26 is a composite number. 27, it has got 1, 3, 9, 27 as the factors. So it is a composite number. 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. So it has got many factors. So it is a composite number. Now 29 is not a composite number because it has got only 2 factors, 1, 29. So it is a prime number. Next number is 30. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. These are all the factors of 30. So it is a composite number. Now, so the number 31, it has got only 2 factors, that is 1 and 31. So it is a prime number. Next number is 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So 32 is a composite number. 33. 1, 3, 11, 33. It has got more than 2 factors. So 33 is a composite number. 34. 1, 2, 17, 34. So 34 is a composite number. 35 factors are 1, 5, 7, 35. So 35 is a composite number. 36 has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36. So 36 is a composite number. 37, it has got only 2 factors, 1 and 37. So it is a prime number. Now 38, it has got 1, 2, 19, 38. So 38 is a composite number. Next number is your 39, right? So 39 has got 1, 3, 13, 39, right? So 39 is a composite number. Next number is 40. So 1, 2, 5, 8, 20, 40. So 40 is a composite number. Now 41, it is a prime number because it has got only 2 factors, 1 and 41. So 42 factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. 43, again it's a prime number because it has got only 2 factors, 1 and 43. So it is a prime number. 44, it has got 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44, right? So it's a composite number. Next number is 45. So 1, 5, 9, 45. These are the factors of 45. So it's a composite number. Next is 46. 1, 2, 23, 46. So 46 is a composite number. Next is 48. 1, 2, 4, 12, 48. Then it will be, children, also 8 and 6. These are also the factors of 48. So 48 is also a composite number. Next is 49. So 49 has got 1, 7 and 49 as the factors. So 49 is also a composite number. So I hope students you have understood the difference between the prime numbers and the composite numbers, right? So this was just for your understanding that there are so many factors, so that's why it is called as a composite number. So in the next session, children, we'll see some more examples, right? Till then, goodbye.